Welcome back to Nextgen World, the home of powerful machines, future tech, and the most incredible engineering marvels of our time. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and powerful military aircraft flying today, the Airbus A400M Atlas. A transport aircraft that blends the capability of strategic lift with tactical agility. If you're fascinated by raw power, precision, and technology that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie, you're in for a ride. So, what exactly is the Airbus A400M Atlas? Built by Airbus Defence and Space, the A400M is a European four-engine turboprop military transport aircraft. It's the kind of beast that doesn't just carry troops, it carries entire armored vehicles, helicopters, humanitarian supplies, and even delivers those supplies mid-air or to remote, unprepared runways. This is not your typical cargo aircraft. It's a flying powerhouse engineered to operate in the world's harshest conditions. Let's talk size and performance. The A400M is massive. With a wingspan of 42.4 meters and a length of 45 meters, it dominates the runway. It can carry up to 37 tons of payload. That's equivalent to 2 Puma helicopters, a heavy infantry fighting vehicle, or over 100 fully equipped troops. And despite its size, this aircraft is no slouch. It cruises at speeds over 780 kilometers per hour and has a range of 8,900 kilometers when empty, or around 3,300 kilometers with maximum payload. That means it can fly across continents without breaking a sweat. What makes the A400M unique, though, are its engines, the Europrop TP400 D6 turboprops. These are the most powerful turboprop engines ever mounted on a Western aircraft, each producing over 11,000 horsepower. Their distinctive counter-rotating propellers, 2 spinning clockwise, 2 counterclockwise, not only provide balance but maximize efficiency and thrust. Unlike jet-powered cargo aircraft, turboprops allow the A400M to take off and land on short, unprepared runways. Grass, gravel, or sand, making it a tactical asset in war zones, disaster relief missions, or anywhere infrastructure is lacking. It can operate at low altitudes, drop supplies with pinpoint accuracy, and even perform aerial refueling. Yes, the A400M can be fitted with refueling pods and act as a tanker, fueling fighter jets and helicopters in midair. That level of versatility is rare. Now let's talk tech. The A400M is packed with next-gen avionics. It features a glass cockpit, fly-by-wire controls, head-up displays for the pilots, and automated systems that reduce crew workload. Its cargo bay is equipped with an automated loading system that can handle everything from pallets to vehicles without much human intervention. And here's the kicker, it can rapidly switch roles. In a matter of hours, it can go from troop carrier to medevac configuration with up to 66 stretchers and medical teams on board. It's not just a plane. It's a flying logistics hub, hospital, and supply chain rolled into one. This aircraft wasn't born overnight. The A400M was conceived in the late 1980s and early 1990s, when several NATO countries realized they needed a new generation of airlifter to bridge the gap between the smaller C-130 Hercules and the much larger C-17 Globemaster III. Airbus answered that call with the A400M. First flown in 2009, the aircraft has since entered service with countries like Germany, France, Spain, the UK, Turkey, Malaysia, and others. As of today, over 100 A400MS have been delivered, and they've proven their worth in everything from military operations in the Middle East to humanitarian missions in Africa and Asia. Whether it's delivering food after an earthquake, evacuating people from conflict zones, or supplying frontline troops, the A400M is always ready. And it doesn't just impress with raw performance, it's also an example of international collaboration. Over 30,000 people across Europe contribute to its manufacturing, with major components being built in the UK, Germany, France, Spain, and Turkey. Final assembly happens in Seville, Spain, where wings from the UK, fuselages from Germany and France, and landing gear from other countries come together to create this airborne titan. But what about its future? Airbus is continuously upgrading the A400M. New features like autonomous landing in rough terrain, advanced defensive systems, and improved refueling capabilities are being added. It's also being considered for more civilian roles in the future, such as disaster relief or firefighting, thanks to its massive payload and flexible design. The A400M is more than just metal and engines. It represents the evolution of military transport: fast, strong, flexible, and future-ready. While it's not as well known to the general public as a fighter jet or bomber, those in the aviation world understand just how important this aircraft is. It's the backbone of rapid response capability for modern militaries, and it's only getting better. So the next time you see this four-prop giant soaring across the sky, remember, it's not just carrying supplies. It's carrying a legacy of innovation, cooperation, and precision engineering. That's the Airbus A400M Atlas. Thanks for watching Nextgen World. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most advanced military aircraft on the planet, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below on what flying machine you want us to cover next. Until then, stay curious, stay powerful,